Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing fit and fine. Today we are going to make a very special dish with arbi or taro root. Not many people are aware of the benefits of this root vegetable and the dishes which you can make from this. Arbi has very low sodium content, so it's very good for reducing your blood pressure. So people who are with hypertension, this is a very good vegetable for them. Also, it helps in weight loss and maintains the health of cardiovascular system. Now, this is a very different and very unique dish what I am going to make today. This arbi, this is 500 grams of arbi. I had already boiled and kept it boiled soft, not very soft, but it is boiled. Now we are going to peel it and then I'll tell you what all masala we are going to use. We peeled all the arbis and kept. Now what we are going to do, we are going to flatten them out. For flattening our arbi, I am going to use some plastic sheets like this, plain plastic sheets. What I am going to do, I am going to take one by one on this and I am going to put it in between the sheets and press it with your palm. Our idea is to flatten this. All our arbi pieces are nicely flattened. If you find it difficult to flatten it in between your palms, just keep it on the platform and then you can press it down. It will become nice and flat. Let's make the masala for this now. I have taken 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and this is half teaspoon of jeera powder. I had already boiled the arbi with salt, but while we are making the masalas, we'll add little more salt. You can also add garlic powder. Freshly ground pepper powder. Our masala mixture is ready. Now let's take the arbi pieces one by one and roll into this. Should be gently doing it. Yes. All the arbi pieces are coated with the dry masala and the pan is on with the oil in it, and once it is hot we are going to fry them. We are going to fry this shallow fry, not deep fry. Once the one side is done, we'll turn it over, we'll flip it over, then we'll make the other side. We'll do it in low to medium flame. Let's see our arbi whether it is done on one side. If it is done, we'll flip it over. Oh yes, it is nice and golden brown. So let's flip over the other pieces also. Yes, and give it a fry. Let's check our arbi pieces. I think they're done both the sides well. Oh, let's take them out. Take care not to break them while some of the pieces which have been soft might break, so be careful when you're taking it out. So our amazingly unique, crispy, spicy and tangy arbi fry is ready and it is unbelievable. You could never imagine that you could have arbi like this and enjoy with any of your meal. Enjoy as a snack, and just before serving, put a little bit of chaat masala on top. Just sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala and you are ready to go. So friends, don't you think it is amazingly unique and equally yummy? So please do try at home and let me know how you liked it. I'll be waiting for your comments. Also share with your family and friends, and if anyone is watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and support me. I'll be bringing more and more interesting videos like this. Till then, please take good care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye. See you.